welcome back to the video. So guys, sometimes let me create a new project before doing the intro. So here, sometimes you might have wondered what are these my blocks. Here, make a block. So in this video, I'm going to explain how are these blocks used and why. So let us create a new block. Name it move. Yeah, done. So here, let's grab one flag tip, keep it here, and take forever loop. Then move 5 steps. Then let me take if on edge bounce. So then let us keep this new. So this custom block made these both into a single block. So here, when you do this, it's moving. So when you place it here, it's going to move forever because here's the forever loop. So here, see. How come is it possible to have two blocks inside a single block? So this is the fun. Yeah. Oh, let us. So, yeah. You might have wondered what are these. So, let us keep it steps. So here, that. So move steps. So move here by steps. So here it's not even moving. Yeah. So let me do this. Point in direction. Yeah. Yeah. So here it's not moving actually. Move steps. So here it's going to work when I add here a number. So let me keep it 5. Here I have 3 blocks inside a single block, and the steps act as an input. Now this is creating an issue. Yeah. This space is used as an input. So here, if there's a large script and you want to make it in one script and if there's a movement, you can use this way. So here, you can like completely hide it. Let me make it too far. Yeah. You can't even find it. So here, it will be simple. This small script is running, making it move. Behind the scene, this is making this all move. Here. So you might have been seeing this. What is this boolean? Let me check. Is correct? Yeah. This boolean only does one work. See here. You might see this. These are booleans. So these only give us true or false. So let me keep it 1 equals to 50. It's saying false. So 1 equals to 1, it gives true. That's the same with this. It's correct. Yeah. So let us do this. Let us move this. So here, let us take equal to 1 equal to 1. It gives nothing. Okay. So I think I need to recollect. So guys, got it. So here, this is a hexagonal shape, right? So you can add it in this. If then else, wait until, repeat until. You can add and see here. You can add this all in this, this, this. You can add this in this. Okay. So let me clean this up. Then let me take if then else. Place it here. If is correct, then say true. True. If else, if it's not true, it will duplicate this. If it's not true, type false. Yeah, this is the next day of me putting the poll. And I'm excited. I'm shocked to seeing your answers. Yeah. I can show it on 12th because I have said 1 week. Yeah. So let's just check this here. Here 1 equals to 1, it's true. Yeah. If 1 equals to 15, it will say false. So it's simple. You, if anyone here has the hexagon shape where you can put it, it can be used with that. So let us keep this. You might have seen this. Yeah. Let us delete this for your help. So move by x, done. So here move by x position, move to. So here you can add the input, then type x. So then if you want to go to y, what will you do? You can't just continue here and put space. It doesn't work. So go click here x, then click on add a label. It is just the same as this move this block. This is also a text label. So here let me keep it y, done. So here you can add y. So we're done. So here let us delete this. So here go to x. Here you can see here y. Let me zoom for you. Here we had defined it at the starting only, move x here. So done. So for y we did not add any way, so we used a label. So here, so let us do this. Let me undo. It's looking too monstrous for me. So here go to, then from the events take this, then move. Let us go to 200x, then 150y. So done. So it's going where I put it. So here we do 150 by 150. So done. So this is the use of labels. So let me remove this. So you are seeing this. Run without screen refresh here. Yeah. Let me create an example for you to know. Okay. So I'll create the example. So guys, it's done. So here, let us keep this here. So it will help. So here, let me show you this. So here, it's not run without screen refresh. So when you run this, here, it looks ugly, making it like move one step back, one step forward. So if you don't want that ugly look, you can, this run without screen refresh makes it to run super fast, where you can't even see it. Yeah, here, done. So here, see this. Moving is same, but here, you cannot even see it. Here, it's just going back. Yeah. So here, let me do this. Then let us do this. Then keep it here. It's slowly going backwards. So you can use this run without screen refresh where you want the smooth animation. So if you are making like a movie type, you do not need actually the run without screen refresh. Like if you are doing a platformer, you might need it. So like if you are touching ground, change x by y by 1. Like that it won't look good. So you can turn on run without screen refresh at that time. So that's it for this today's video tutorial. Scratch a custom block or my custom block tutorial. So please like and subscribe the video. So thank you and have a nice one.